Princess,
Red.
karon mag-study tayo. Study tayo because your first quarter examination is on September 17 and 18. So now, okay, natay pointers. Okay, color. Anong color? What is the ano? What is the flag color? What is this? Princess, what is this?
Blue.
No, what is this? What flag is this?
Bayang Giling.
Philippine
Philippine.
flag. Okay, color. What color in ano? In the ano on top? What color on top? What color? Blue. Very good. Color 8. Ayusin mo kay mo na yung pointers ninyo.
Let's change it, ma. Let's change it.
Oops. Not pangit your color. Fix your color. Look at that. It's very pangit yan.
No.
Oh my God, this pangit man na imong color, princess. Not all. Princess, only the star and the sun. We not like that. Ganyan mag color, not like that, princess. Like this, princess. Oh. If you put color like that, oh, kay dirty yan. Exam ninyo ni princess. Malapit ang exam niya. Fix mo, princess. Pangit yan. Zero ka talaga.
Done.
Oo. Anong color siya ang flag daw? Oh, kapangit. Kapangit sa imong color, day. Again. Lagyan niya daw ng pool, oh.
Ma,
Is that pool?
palit yan.
Pangit ang pool mo. Put pool.
It's you.
Put the poste.
It's you.
Draw ka poste dyan.
Ano ba, oh?
You like this or like this, oh. Again. Color ha, maganda. Color ka maganda. Sige daw, draw ka ganito. Draw ka flag. Draw ka ng flag.
I don't see.
Draw flag.
Mawala. Tusok mo here yan.
Okay, fine. Oh, connect. Connect the capital letter
B.
to small letter.
Ma, this ma?
Find it. Further, where's the baby A, B? Up. You're wrong. Yan. Marunong po. Gipasaka naman din. Okay. Letter C.
Ma, this ma.
Oh.
This is?
Letter.
Yeah.
Where's this? Yeah, connect it.
This is? Oh. What that? Ma.
E. E. Where's the small letter E? Very good. Again. Wow. Perfect si Princess today. Sana, ma-perfect ka ha?
Done.
Done? Wow!
Check ma.
Check. Okay, check it.
100
Wait.
pesos.
Ikaw na check. Siya na daw mag-check. Okay, sige, check na. 100 over 100. Dito, check this one lagi. Check.
Check.
Uy, ito check little teacher. Dito. Foot here. 100 over 100. 100. Uy, sana.
100.
Oh, where's one? Where's the one? Put star. Nagana star. Ano. Off, 0 yan. Put one. No. The one here. One here. Okay, 100 0 man niya. 1 lang. And then 2, 1. Yan. 100 over 100 siya na nagpirma. Hi. Again. Answer 8. H2 N. Wait. Okay.
This H.
Find the BBH. Yeah. Connect the BBH. Very good. Hoy, N yan. Mali ang pagkabuhat ako sa N. O sige, ano na lang yan, H. So, dito ang N. Mali pa lang pagka-right ko. So, dito N to small baby N. Mali ang pagka-right ko sa ano para siyang H.
This ma, oh, this.
Okay. Go on. Okay.
This is this.
Faster, para 100 ka.
This ma.
Yeah. Baby N. Baby N.
What this is?
Find the baby N.
This?
Yeah. Para perfect ka, dali. Faster. Yeah, faster. Faster, dali. I. Where's the I? Baby I.
Anak.
M. Oh, yeah. Where's the M? M. Very good. Faster. M. Yeah, faster. Dali. K. Oh, very good.
J.
J. Find the baby J. Find the baby J. Up, K yan. J. Ito, J. Up. Yeah, K. I. Where's the baby I? Find the baby I faster. Baby I. No, this one. Little this one. Little I. Find the baby I. Baby I. It's not baby I, yeah. This one is baby I. Jake L. L. Find the baby L. Faster. Very good. Wala, put perfect. Perfect na. 100. Sige na. Check. Put check. 1, 2, 3. Perfect si Princess. 1, 2, 3.